Will AI replace your job? That seems to be the prevailing question in this time. Experts agree that over the next 5 years, that 50% of entry-level white-collar jobs, they're going to be gone. Side gigs that you depended on, the app that you were making money from, going to be replaced by bots. All of this has taken place in a pretty dramatic way, and it's happening so fast that people just can't keep up. Every day we're reading in the headlines about another big company who's laying off more and more employees. Amazon just laid off another 14,000. I just heard about other tech companies that are downsizing and reducing. Other companies that are saying, hey, we no longer need the expanded workforce because AI is allowing the few individuals we're going to keep to become that much more efficient. So what do you do in an ever-changing market where the real threat isn't about a new technology? It's about the dependency that you've had on jobs that no longer need you. Well, Jeff Bezos, when he created Amazon, had a wonderful question. He didn't ask, where is the market going? What industries do we need to lean into? Instead, he asked this question: what's not going to change? What's not going to change? What a fantastic question. So when we take a look at what's not going to change, well, then that gives us some bearing on the future and what we ought to be preparing ourselves for so that we can capitalize on that thing and ensure some stability in terms of our income and our family household. Guess what? What's not going to change? Real estate. It's one of the 3 basic needs. You got food, water, and shelter. How long's that been the case, right? And how long's that going to continue to be the case? It's never going to change. You can't digitize a home and they're not making any new land. Well, okay, they are on the big island of Hawaii, but it's happening very, very slowly through lava flow. Outside of that, real estate is where it's at. And we've got a housing shortage. We've been in a housing shortage, which is the reason why real estate values continue to increase and why there's still amazing, unprecedented demand that we can lean into. So real estate investing is the way that you can secure your future, your family's future. And if we want to take a lesson from history, more millionaires have been created in real estate than just about any other industry. Why? Because real estate has so many great opportunities. You get an opportunity for multiple streams of income. Think about it. You actually get to see the property, the investment that you are involved in, the mortgage paid down over time by the tenants who occupy space there. You get the deductions that go along with it, taxes. That's one of your largest expenses in life, and now you get to minimize those. Then you get all of the other benefits that go along with appreciation over time, equity buildup. The leverage of investments, creative real estate strategies that you can lean into. You don't have to do deals using your own money or your own credit. So many great benefits to real estate that you just can't find anywhere else. And it lets you build wealth, protect your family, and you don't have to worry about, your job or your business or your career being reliant on some algorithm or bot that may turn out to replace you. So if you're tired of uncertainty, or if the fast-changing economy and world that we live in is creating a little financial stress in your household, now's the time to act. You don't need to wait until the market is perfect, because the market's never perfect. How many of you would have loved to have just bought 10 homes 10 years ago, right? Or 10 homes 20 years ago? The question is, if that's the case, what are you going to be saying in another 10 years? Should have, could have, but didn't? Lean into real estate and allow Renatus to help you prepare for the future. Let us show you what we have showed tens of thousands of people all across the country, and that is how to get involved with real estate, not utilizing any of your own money, any of your own credit, utilizing creativity and relationships to get yourself into deals and leverage yourself into a higher rate of return. All you've got to do to get more information is just click the link. That's it. And we'll share with you more of the details about this incredible community and how we build communities of local investors all across the country to help support you in realizing your real estate dreams.